Good evening, loving good family. I have two quick announcements for you. First, please be advised that all student passwords have been reset to reflect your student's birth date. That's the 2-digit month, the 2-digit day, and 4-digit year. Your student will need that password to access school-related devices and also Office 365. On next week is our virtual open house. On Monday, August 10th will be for 6th grade, Tuesday, the 11th will be for 7th grade, and Wednesday, August 12th will be for 8th grade. Each open house will begin at 6 o'clock. Now, embedded in an email that I'm sending you this evening will be a link. Once you access that link, you will submit any questions that you have for your students' teachers. You should be able to see your student schedule already in Parent View. So again, if you have any questions for your students' teachers, this is the best opportunity to go ahead and submit those questions, and it will help the teacher as they prepare a presentation that is valuable for you by explaining how their class works, introducing themselves, but also answering those pressing questions that you may have. In addition to that link, you're going to have an attachment with a document that looks like this. Now, the document, once you open it, you will see it will have your students' homeroom and all of their 7 periods. And it'll also have the times. It will also have the times that those virtual open house periods will, how long they will last. Now, this is important because on Friday, your students' teachers through Parent View will submit to you Microsoft Teams links. There will be one link for each section for the homeroom, the first period, second period, and so on. Once you receive those links, we need you to copy and paste the links and place the appropriate link in the right class period. So let me summarize. For next week, when you are ready for your students' open house, by taking the links that you received Friday evening and placing them on the document in the attachment, you will have all of the links in order ready for you. So once you click on the homeroom link and you hear the homeroom teacher's presentation, once it concludes, you will then click the first period link, hear that presentation. Once it concludes, you will click on the second period link, so forth and so on. Hopefully this doesn't sound too confusing. Once you open the document and you take a look at it, and then you receive those links on Friday evening, I think it will make a lot more sense. Of course, if you can always reach out to me if you have any questions, or again, if it is too confusing. Now, we understand that this does not completely replace the type of experience if you were sitting here in the building in front of your students' teachers. However, we are trying to provide the best virtual experience that we possibly can for your student and yourself to get to know your students' teachers and to get more information about the course to ease any anxiety or confusion that you may be experiencing. Well, that's really all that I have for now. Until next time, I want everyone to stay safe. I will still send out my Friday communication as well. I just felt like I needed to get this out as soon as possible. So again, stay safe and please have a great evening.